Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to customize Snooze duration on all ROMs in the iPhone. Let's get started. First, here is something important to know. On an iPhone, Apple doesn't allow you to change the snooze time directly. The snooze button is fixed at 9 minutes and there is no setting to make it longer or shorter. So, whether you want 5 minutes, 10 minutes or 15 minutes, the iPhone won't let you change it with one tap. But don't worry, there are easy workarounds you can use. You can use multiple alarms. This is the most common trick. Instead of relying on snooze, you can set several alarms at different times, or you can turn off snooze and use alarms instead. When you create or edit an alarm, you can turn off the snooze option. This use multiple alarms as your custom snooze system, or you can use the shortcut apps. If you like automation, the shortcuts app can help. You can create a shortcut that stop the alarm and set another alarm after a few minutes of its release. This takes a little setup, but it gives you more control. So to sum it up, the iPhone does not support custom snooze duration by default, but with multiple alarm, shortcut or other apps, you can still get the timing that works best for you. And that's it. That's how you can manage snooze time on your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.